this is Aishwarya from Future Overseas Education. In my previous video, I tried to explain about the speaking module and the format which is followed in the module. We discussed about 3 categories, and in today's video, we are going to learn more about the introductional part. When I talk about the introductional part, I mean that the examiner is going to ask you some general question. कुछ चीज़ें इंट्रोडक्शनल पार्ट के बारे में मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी. पहली चीज़, इंट्रोडक्शनल पार्ट 3 से 4 मिनट तक का ही होता है. सेकेंड, देयर आर सम do's and don'ts that you must follow before attempting the introductional part. The first is, please avoid giving direct answers. कभी भी अपना आंसर एक वर्ड या एक सेंटेंस में मत दीजिए. इससे एग्जामिनर को आपकी स्पीकिंग एबिलिटी के बारे में पता नहीं चलता. Always speak more than the examiner. Number 2, make sure that whenever you are answering, you don't self-correct yourself. अगर आपसे किसी सेंटेंस में कोई ग्रामेटिकल या कोई और मिस्टेक हो भी गई है, let it go. Don't go back and correct it. Third point which you have to make sure that you are doing is voice modulation. Always modulate your voice according to your answer. It gives an impression that you know the language and you are proficient enough to speak it. Now today we are going to learn about the category name, regarding which there are many questions that the examiner generally asks in the speaking test. The first question that the examiner will ask you is, what is your name? If the examiner asks me what is my name, I would say my name is Aishwarya. Now I cannot exaggerate this answer, and I shouldn't, because most of the times if the student has crammed the answer, they come across as rehearsed. Don't do that. The second question which is very common in this category is, do you know the meaning of your name? Or do you like your name? These 2 questions are generally asked after the first question. If somebody asks me that do I know the meaning of my name, I would say yes, I know the meaning of my name. It means luxury, and I can relate to this name because I believe in living a luxurious life. This is the answer which will have a positive impact on the examiner, because I haven't given this answer in one word, and I have also given a supporting idea behind this answer. The third question, which is also very common under this category, is who generally gives the child name in your country? Or who has given you your name? Both the questions are similar. If somebody asks me who gave me this name, I will say that my paternal grandfather gave me this name, because it is a tradition in my family that generally the elders give the baby their name. I hope that now you have learned how to answer the introductional part, and we have discussed about the category name. There are few more questions in this category that you can see on our website, and you can also subscribe to our channel for such more videos. I hope that you will like this video, and please share it. Thank you for joining.